How to invite friends or team members to a board on Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to bring your friends or teammates onto your board on Trello, here's how you can do it. First things first, launch open the Trello application on your device, and once you're inside this Boards tab, select Open the board you want to invite people on. After you select open one of the boards, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the bottom center, and from the board menu, tap on Invite under Members. Now, you can go ahead and write down the name of the members you want to invite in the search bar, and once you find them, click on the plus button right next to them. Now, the person will be added to the board. You'll be able to see their initial under the Members tab. You can go ahead and tap on the Members tab over here, and then you can go ahead and change their role, select their name, choose whether you want them to be the admin or member, and click Save. Another way to invite someone to your board is by simply tap on the Invite Share link at the top right, and in the pop-up select the contact you want to invite. You can use any messaging applications, emails, or social media platform, paste in the link in the text box and send it to them. Once they accept your invites and joins in, you'll be able to see them in the board members list. Now you know how to invite others to your Trello board. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.